Hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our assessment awareness training course. As you can see from the image in front of you, this is a general overview of assessment for all GCC students, faculty, and staff. The idea behind this course is so that we all gain a shared knowledge and understanding of assessment. This is a Canvas course with an open enrollment that starts this fall, fall of 2021. And you can self-enroll by going to bit.ly/assessment awareness training. And you can see that link there in the corner. When you enroll in the training, here's what you will find. On the landing page, you'll find a video that will help you navigate this course. You'll find more in-depth information of what you will learn during this training, how it will benefit you, some of the learning objectives, and about how long it should take. When you're ready to begin, simply click on Start the Training. When you do, you'll be taken to this demographics collection page. In assessment, we do love our data, and so this will give us an idea of who is taking this course. It asks questions about whether you're a student, what kind of areas you're in, if you're faculty, staff, etc. When you have finished that quiz, you can simply come down to the bottom, you'll submit it, and you'll hit the Next button. Easiest way to navigate is with that Next button. Here you'll find some assessment vocabulary. You'll see a video here on how to do the matching in case you need it. It's pretty simple, but basically you'll watch a little video, and then down here there are information cards on the side here that need to be matched with the cards to the right. So what you'll do is, what is the language of assessment? You'll pull it over here. It's a common vocabulary, and then this becomes a flashcard from which to study. And so why is the language of assessment important? Because having a common vocabulary makes it easy to communicate more clearly. And then how are you going to go about learning that? Well, here it is. So again, all of those can be answered by watching this video. And you'll see there's several chunks, so to speak, of this. So this is a major part of the training in that we're trying to create that common language. So you'll learn about the language and then you'll practice with it. When you have completed that, what you'll be able to do is come all the way down to the bottom of the page, and I'll move myself here, and you can see there's a Next button. You simply just hit Next. And I'm going to push myself back over. Again, we'll talk a little bit here about types of assessment. You'll see there's a Venn diagram here. There's an accessible version over here if you need that. But yeah, basically this takes you through the different kind of major types of assessment that we care most about. There's information here for you to do a self-assessment. On this one, it's kind of fun. You just select the pencil. You can pick whatever color you want. I'll go with purple today. And you're going to make connections between examples of formative and summative. A couple of things to think about, though, is that in general, the reason why something is being done will determine whether it is formative or summative, right? So for example, a quiz at the end of a chapter could be summative because you're ending that chapter, but could also be formative in that before you move on to the next chapter, there may be information that needs to be covered. But again, you basically will just draw things here. That first one I did was absolutely wrong. This would actually be a summative project, like a culminating project is summative for sure. But after 45 seconds, what will happen is the actual answers will appear for you. When you've completed that activity, you can move right along. There's a video here for you to watch about where assessment happens. Here we have an opportunity for you to add a response about where assessment happens via Flipgrid. Here are some wonderful examples done by some folks who've already completed the course, if you need an idea of what you might want to say. Flipgrid is a free-to-use tool, and it's just a nice added opportunity for us to learn a new tool. Here's some information you'll find about assessment here at GCC specifically. You'll move through that. There's a scavenger hunt to take here. I know it looks a bit like a quiz, but it's not. It's a scavenger hunt. But this introduces you to our Gaucho site. For those of you who are not aware, we have a wrap-up, which again asks for an evaluation, because here in assessment we love to get an idea of how things are going and what we can do to improve. But that's basically it. That is the course in and of itself. At any time you need to stop and come back, you'll come back into this home page and you'll be able to go either directly into the modules and select where you left off, right? Or you can do it all in one sitting like we just did in a very fast and easy manner. Well, I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit more about this level 1 assessment training, and I hope that you will engage in the course. All right, thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.